नमस्कार दोस्तों, हमारे शॉर्टहैंड लैब प्रयागराज चैनल पे आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मैं यहाँ पर आप सबको एक लीगल पैसेज डिक्टेट करूँगा। डिक्टेशन इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट APS के बेस्ड पे है, तो आप सब अपने आप को रेडी कर लें। और यदि चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें। ओके, अब आप सब रेडी हो जाएं। 5 सेकंड रिमेनिंग। स्टार्ट। द respondent number 1 herein appeared as a private candidate in the intermediate examination conducted by UP Board of High Schools and Intermediate Education from Janta Inter College, Azamgarh bracket UP bracket close stop. His result was withheld stop. A provisional mark sheet was purported to have been issued to him without showing that his result for intermediate examination had been withheld stop. On the basis of the said purported provisional mark sheet, he pursued further studies and completed his graduation as also post graduation stop. He was also employed as a teacher stop. The principal of the college informed him that his result in the intermediate examination has been cancelled stop. Questioning the said order, a writ petition was filed stop. The said writ petition was allowed by a learned single judge of the High Court stop para. Aggrieved, the petitioner herein preferred a special appeal before a division bench which was summarily dismissed stop. The petitioner herein approached this court under Article 136 of the Constitution of India stop. In Civil Appeal number 4034 of 2001 arising out of the said special leave petition, this court in its judgment dated 3/9/2003, which allowing the same made the aforementioned observations stop para. Indisputably, taking advantage of the said observations, the respondent contemner number 1 filed an application on 28/9/2003 before the contemner respondent number 2 with a prayer to permit him to appear at the intermediate examination as a private candidate stop. No action was taken thereupon stop. He filed a writ petition before the Allahabad High Court and the same was finally disposed of with the direction to the Secretary, UP Board of High School and Intermediate Education, Allahabad, to pass suitable order on the application of the petitioner dated 28/9/2003 in accordance with stop. It is not in dispute that there does not exist any rule permitting a candidate to appear at an examination at a later point of time and that too as a private candidate stop. Relying on or on the basis of the said purported observations by the High Court of Allahabad, a certificate was issued by contemner respondent number 2 on or about 14/5/2004, in terms whereof respondent number 1 is said to have passed the said intermediate examination and was placed in second division stop. Individual marks in individual subjects, however, were not assigned stop para. It is admitted to the petitioner that he did not appear in the examination again and is again trying to play fraud with the system by making false representation stop. The district inspector of the schools has found that the Supreme Court had dismissed the matter and thus the petitioner is not entitled to any benefit of reinstatement in service and payment of salary and other service benefits stop. The petitioner cannot be permitted to pollute the system any further stop. With the finding of fraud concluded against him by Supreme Court that he is not entitled to any equitable relief from this court stop. The writ petition is accordingly dismissed with cost of rupees 10,000, of which shall be recovered by district magistrate, Azamgarh from the petitioner stop.